Okay, this is our lesson today. It's about metric units of length. Guys, when we talk about the metric unit of length, that's mean we talk about the something called metric system, a key day or key idea. The metric is basic unit of length in the metric system. We talk about meter, centimeter, millimeter, and kilometers, and we will be using ruler in our lesson today. What unit are used to measure length on the metric system? Guys, measure or measurement in the metric system are based upon the meter. So the basic unit is meter, and all of the unit like centimeter, decimeter, kilometer, all of these units is called sub-unit of meter. 1 meter is about the length of the bed. Okay. Now, items measured by meter. Now we talk about something or things you can using meter to measure it. If we talk about the tall or your tall, we will using meter like this tower. We will using also meter, a building high I mean, and length of car or car length. We will using meter also to find the length of car. Other commonly used units are centimeter. Guys, centimeter is less than meter, and each meter containing 100 centimeter. And if you look at your ruler, this distance is called centimeter. So your ruler is using centimeter. When you are using your ruler to find the measure, we will talk about centimeter. And like an ant, we're using centimeter. Your pencil, also, we are using centimeter. Shoes also. Now, other common, it's like millimeter. Guys, millimeter, which is the something less than meter. And 1 meter is like if you want to find the thick of your coin, we will using millimeter. Nail, we're using millimeter. Thickness, I mean. Thickness of window pane, it's also using millimeter. Now, there is another thing, other units, we will talk about it. It's like kilometer. Kilometers, if you want to find the distance in between two cities, we will using kilometers, or a kilometer or 1 kilometer is about the length of 4 city blocks. We're using, or it's equivalent, it's about to 1 kilometer. Guys, if you look at this map, we are using kilometer always. If you want to travel from cities to another cities, we are using the kilometers. So the distance between two cities or countries, we are using kilometers. Guys, this is the most important things in our lesson. Length refers to the distance from one point to another. The base unit of length in metric system is meter and represented by m. Now, metric units. Guys, always when you talk about kilo, that's mean you talk about 1,000. So kilometers, we talk about 1,000 meters. We can replace kilo or the subword kilo by 1,000. And 1 meter, if you talk about the centimeter, it's 100 centimeter. And if you talk about meter and millimeter, it's 1,000 millimeter. Okay, guys. Yes, Khaled?
Teacher, how the ant is centimeter?
Yes, you're using ant. I mean big ant.
So small.
I mean big one. There's
It is
there's another kind of ants. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Kinds of ant.
Yeah. Is this your question, Khalid?
Yeah.
It's okay. زيد أبو طاحون.
So a decimeter is 10 meters.
Decimeter.
Yeah?
You mean decimeter, Zaid?
Decimeter.
Decimeter, yes, decimeter. Decimeter, it's equivalent, or 1 meter equivalent to 10 decimeter.
Oh, so it's a tenth of a meter.
Yes, that's it. Okay, Zaid. Hamad Momin.
Sir, how many millimeters are equals to 1 kilometer?
Now, if you talk about 1 kilometer and how many millimeter, we will say that each meter is containing 1,000 meter,
Millimeter.
right?
Yes.
And each meter containing 10,000, right?
Yes.
So you're multiplying 1,000 by 10,000, which is 1 million.
So that means 1 million millimeters
Yes.
is equals to 1 kilometer.
Yes. Wait. It's 1 million or 10 million. One of them. Now I will see.
Okay.
Okay, Muhammad. Karam,
Teacher, the quiz will be at this lesson?
this lessons, yes.
At this lesson?
This lessons, yes.
Thanks.
Zaid Jalamde.
Teacher, can I open the camera to? Can
Sorry,
I open the camera?
I can't hear you.
Can I open the camera?
Why?
I want to let you see something.
Okay, open it.
Okay.
Yes, Zaid.
Teacher, we make it like this.
You make it as a stair, yes?
If we want to go down time and multiply and
Okay.
this divide, صح?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Zaid. Thank you. You are most welcome, Zaid.
Oh.
But you must take attention while you are multiplying by 10 or 100 or 1,000, right?
Yeah.
It's okay, Zaid. Zahir? Zahir?
Sure.
Yes.
What is a decimeter?
Decimeter, it's a part of meter. It's more than, or it's larger than centimeter. Each meter containing 10 decimeter.
Okay, thank you.
You are most welcome. Wasim?
Teacher, does the kilometer have to be always between two cities or more?
When you talk about the kilometer, it's for large distance or long distance. You will use
Thank you.
kilometer. Turkey?
Teacher,
Yes, Turkey.
when you put the slide, I can't see. Now you don't put the slide. I can't see it.
Yes, I'm stop it. Yes. Yes, I'm stop it.
Okay.
Okay, Turkey. Zaid Al-Tahun, yes.
I got the answer for the thing that is 10 times more than the meter. It's called a decameter, and which is 100 meters. It's called a hectometer.
Yes, okay. Thank you, Zaid. Aoun, yes.
Teacher,
Yes, Habibi.
when you want to change from millimeters to kilometers,
You divide by 1 million, right?
Right, yes.
Okay, thanks.
Amer, please raise your hand again, please. Hussein,
Yes, teacher. Teacher, what's the decimeter?
guys, I'm saying each meter containing 10 decimeter.
يعني المتر هو 10 decimeter?
Yes.
Okay.
Faris Shaktur, Faris, yes.
Teacher, can you say for me what's each like kilometer? How many how many meters are in the kilometer?
There is 1,000.
1,000. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Turkey. Yes, Turkey. Turkey. Yes.
When we gonna start?
Start the quiz, you mean?
No, start the class.
We are starting now, Turkey.
Yeah, but when you like هتبدأ الشرح.
هينا عم نشرح تركي.
Okay.
Okay, Turkey. عمر التل. عمر.
Teacher, from centimeter to millimeter to do
From millimeter to centimeter, 10.
divide.
10. Each centimeter containing 10 millimeter.
Divide or multiply?
What you will? From centi to milli?
Yeah,
Multiply.
multiply.
Yes.
Okay, thanks.
Yes, Hussein.
Teacher, did Abu Tahan said tachymeter?
Sorry?
Or did Abu Tahan said tachymeter or decimeter?
Decimeter and meter.
Oh, okay.
Yes. On. Yes, on.
I didn't use my hand, teacher.
Never mind. It's okay, حبيبي. Yes, Rayyan.
Teacher, in the homework book, they said that do we have to memorize the hectometer or only the centimeter, millimeter, kilometer, and meter?
Yes, only that's it.
Okay.
Yes. Kinan.
Teacher, how many millimeters are in a centimeter?
10.
10.
Yes.
That means that 10 centimeters are in a decameter.
And you asked me about centimeter and millimeter, right?
I know, and centimeters and decameter.
Okay.
Decameter.
We will talk about the main things, which is meter, centimeter, millimeter, and kilometer.
Kilometer. Okay.
Yes, that's it, Kinan.
Thank you.
حبيبي. Yes, Hussein.
Teacher, I don't see anything on the phone.
We stop it.
What?
There is nothing to show now. I'm asking the questions.
اوكي يعني انت مش قاعد تشرح على اي شيء يعني؟
No, no.
اوكي فكرت.
Yes. Right. Please write your name at the first.
Okay.
Okay.
Teacher, how many meter in meter?
How many?
Decimeter in meter.
Again, I can't hear you very well. Please, again.
decimeter in meter.
There is 10. Are you Adnan?
Yeah.
Okay, write your name, please, Adnan.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Okay, as we say that each kilometer containing 1,000 meter and 1 meter containing 100 centimeter, 1 meter containing 100 centimeters. So if you want, Muhammad, if you want to convert from kilometer to millimeter, there's million millimeter in kilometer. Now, what's the length to the nearest centimeter and to the nearest millimeter? The smallest unit represent is millimeter using ruler. Now I wanted to find the length of this pencil, and I will using the centimeter ruler to find it. So if you want to find it, look at the end point. Where's the end point? It's at 9, and I will start from at the 0, not from the starting of the ruler. We will start from 0. So you will put 0 or the 0 centimeter at the initial point, and I will see where's the end point or approximated point or nearest millimeter. Now this is the pencil is 9 centimeter, and the question asked me to write it using millimeter. We know that each centimeter containing 10 centimeter, so I will multiplying 9 by 10, it will become 90 millimeter. Using the line, each line segment to the nearest centimeter, okay, I will using ruler. Guys, this is, or this ruler, I will using millimeter, guys. Now, guys, millimeter, it's a, or we say that each centimeter containing 10 millimeter. So from 0 to 1, there's 10 millimeter. From 1 to 2, there is another 10, so we talk about 20. Now I will count how many chart we have here. The smallest, or the small one, there is about 3, so we talk about 23 or 24 millimeter. Here in this question, to nearest millimeter also, from, or it's 9.9. 9.9 centimeter, and I will multiply it by 10 because I wanted to change it and convert the units from centimeter to millimeter. So it will become 99 millimeter. Now look at this question. It's in your book at page 335, and we solve it. Now the length of the river, we will using kilometer to find the distance and the length. Distance across the ocean, we talk about also kilometer because it's the largest thing or the large places we will use in kilometer. The unit or part 3, we'll talk about the length of square field. It's using meter. So guys, this is the portable units or the appropriate units to find the measure of these things. Ahmed Sharif, yes. Ahmed Sharif. Ahmed Sharif, yes. But it's okay. Wasim.
Teacher, can I open my camera? I want to show you something.
Okay, you can, sure.
Teacher, here. Which one? This one.
This is inch, Wasim. The other
Inch?
one. The other one, yes, using the other one.
The on top. What is it?
At the top now, it's inch.
Inch?
Yes. At the below, it's centimeter.
Yes. Thank you.
You are most welcome, Wasim. Turkey? Yes, Turkey? Yes, Turkey, I can hear you.
What is the What is the unit to find the measure of the ball?
Ball, you talk about the volume now. It's not the length. And now we talk about length in specific.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you.
there is three quantity in math or in physics or in science. We talk about distance, area, and volume. The first thing we talk about, which is length now. So we can't find the distance in the ball. Or if you want to ask me about for example, the radius of the ball, we're using centimeter.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, Turkey.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome, Habibi. Muhammad Sharif, yes. Muhammad Sharif. Muhammad Sharif, yes. Type it's okay. Try again, Muhammad, please. Adnan Rajha, yes. Adnan.
We
Adnan.
have a quiz. We have a quiz.
Yes, we have. Okay, Adnan. Yes, Muhammad. Muhammad Sharif, yes. Muhammad. Muhammad. Muhammad, I can't hear you. Please fix your mic. Muhammad Sharif. طيب, it's okay. Okay, guys. Now we'll talk about the next lesson, which is converting metric units using the decimal. Guys, this is the table we will using to changing the metric units. We say that each kilometer, it's containing 1,000 meter, 1 hectometer, it's using 100 meter, decameter, 10 meter, and 1 meter, it's 1 decimeter, it's tenth of meter, centimeter, it's hundredth of meter, and millimeter, which is 1,000th of meter. This is how can I convert in between the units. But note that the hectometer and decameter are not commonly used. So to changing from the largest, guys, this is the most important things. If you want to change from largest to smallest, we will using multiply. Or if you want to change from smallest to largest, we will using divide. And we say that the hectometer and decameter, we are not use it. It's not common. Okay, guys. Now look at this example. Find each equal measure. Now it's 29 centimeter. I wanted to change it to millimeter. So in this case, I will multiply because I will convert from centi to millimeter, and each centimeter containing 10 millimeter. So I will multiply it by 10. So it will become 290 millimeter. Look at this stair, guys. Now I will multiply by from largest to smallest, I will multiply, and centimeter is larger than millimeter, so I'll multiply by 10. So it will become 29 times 10, which is 290. So 29 centimeter, it's equal to 290 millimeter. Here, it's 600 centimeter. I wanted to convert it to meter. Centimeter is less than meter, so I will make from smallest to greatest. From smallest to greatest, that's mean, look at this here, guys. From smallest to greatest, I will divide. And the relation in between centimeter and meter, it's what? It's 100. So I will divide it by 100. Now 600 divide 100, it's 6. So 600 centimeter, it's equal to 6 meter. Now it's 43 and 0.03, I mean centimeter to millimeter by the same procedure, because we want to convert it from largest to smallest. I will multiplying by what حكينا, we say that every centimeter containing 10 millimeter, so I will multiply it by 10. Guys, remember that if you want to multiplying any number by 10, 100,000, I will remove the decimal from left to right according to how many zeros we have. And if you want to divide, you will move the decimal from right to left according to how many zeros. Now 10, there is only 1 0, so I will remove the decimal only 1 digit to the right. So we talk about 430.3. Now 43.03 centimeter, it's equal to 430.3 millimeter. Yes, Zahir?
Teacher,
Yes.
can you go back for kilometer and dekimeter in a PowerPoint?
The stereo mean? This is what you mean? The stereo mean?
No, can you go back? Back.
This is?
No, back.
This is?
Yeah, there is, I don't understand what it means. Meter and decameter and
Hectometer and decameter. Hectometer and decameter, it's not common units. Okay, now each 100 meter called 1 hectometer, or 1 hectometer. And each 10 meter, we say that it's 1 decameter. Only that's it. It's naming, just.
okay, teacher, I have a second question.
Yes.
What if we can can you go like when it's can we make like 4.3 question for 4.3
Yes.
can we divide?
You mean the last question, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at the last question.
Can we make like
It's not up to
divide?
you, I will divide or I will multiply. It's according to the units. Now, centimeter to millimeter, from large to small, I will multiply. You can't divide. If you divide, it will become wrong.
Why?
Because you can't. Look at this step. Centimeter to meter. You will go what? Upward or downward?
What?
From centi to milli, you will go upward or downward?
Downward.
Downward, that's when I will multiply. Upward, I will divide.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. زيد أبو طاحون. Yes, Zed. Yes, Zed.
No, I have nothing. I just forgot. I just kind of forgot to.
Okay, never mind. Okay, Muhammad Falah.
We only have a bit more for the class, and when will we do the quiz?
After we finish. يعني after some minutes I will make it inshallah.
Okay.
Okay, Muhammad. Yes, on.
Teacher, when will we have the quiz?
soon إن شاء الله. أصبر just a minute sis. In a few minutes. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys.
And I'm still not muted.
زيد عبد الرحمن, you are removed. Thank you. Bye bye. Find equal measure for the following. Now from millimeter to centimeter, I will convert from small to big. So I will divide in this case by what? From milli to centi, there's 10. So I will divide by 10. So it will become 505 divided by 10. So we talk about 50.5 centimeter. Again, if you want to divide, we will remove the decimal from right to left according to how many zeros. This is, guys, find each equal measure from centimeter to meter, from centi to meter. That's mean I will divide because we will convert from smallest to greatest. I will divide by 100. So we will remove the decimal 2 digit. So 8.43 meters. Now from meter to centimeter, from biggest to smallest, we will multiply by 100. So it will become 160. From meters to kilometer, I will divide because I will convert from smallest to greatest. And from millimeter to centimeter, I will divide also by 10. So it will become 26. Next time, guys, inshallah, we'll talk about 9.5 and 9.8. Now, we'll start our quiz. Yes, Hussein.
تيتشر انت بعثت الكويز على الشات هلا؟
انت معانا في الحصه من زمان حسين ولا كيف؟
لا انا من زمان معاكم بالحصه، من اول الحصه.
تمام، احنا لسه ما بعتنا، احنا هلا خلصنا شرح هلا بنبعث الكويز.
اوكي.
اوكي حسين. زاهر. Yes, Zahir.
Teacher, okay. Teacher, can you go back on PowerPoint?
Okay, which slide?
Slide when in question number 4 for kilo.
This is, you mean?
Yeah, 24.
Okay.
I don't understand question 4.
From meter to kilometer, from smallest to greatest, you will divide.
Yeah, I know, but يعني كيف طلعت 0.0?
You will divide, right?
Yeah, I will
So you remove the
divide.
decimal from right to left. How many digits? Thousands. There is 3 zeros. So you will divide. So you will move the decimal 3 digit to the left. حكينا في divide. You will move the decimal to left and multiply to the right. Okay, Zahir? Zahir?
Yeah. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Okay, that's it. You understand it?
Yeah.
It's okay. Faris?
Teacher, when it's divide, we move it to the left.
Yes. Multiply to the right.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Turkey?
Teacher,
Yes.
do you see this slide? This slide, you are on it now.
Yes.
Question 4, I don't understand it.
You will divide by 1,000, right?
Yeah.
When you divide by 1000, that's mean I will remove the decimal from right to left.
Left.
How many digits?
3.
Right, that's it. So there is
Yeah,
only,
because
there is only one digit in ones. So I will fill the rest of digit by zeros.
okay.
That's,
Teacher,
yes.
we move it 3 because there's 3
There's
zeros in
yes.
1000.
Yes, right.
Okay. Thank you.
You're most welcome. Okay, guys. Now, inshallah, we'll start our quiz. Open your cam at all, please. Open your cams. Guys, ما حدا بيشوفك غيري أنا, please. يعني لا تخاف, ما حدا راح يشوفك إلا أنا. Open your cam. Hurry. Guys, now I will send link via chat. Please copy all of them, all of the links I will send, and paste it in your Google Google Chrome. Okay, paste it in Google Chrome and open it. It's containing your quiz. Turkey, open your cam. Ayham, Adnan. Good evening, Miss Ahlam. You are most welcome, Miss Ahlam, wallahi. Guys, Adnan, open your cam, please. Luay, I want to see you, please. Faris, I want to see you also. Yes. Guys, I will unmute all of the students now. Please, ما نسمع ولا صوت. Guys, we'll start now. Karam, open your mic. أسعد في كويس. Stop talking. أي صوت راح أسمعه من أي واحد راح أعمل له كيك أو Okay, guys. Now we'll start. Now I will send the link via the chat. Okay. This is the link containing your quiz. Copy and paste it. Ayham, open your cam.
Sir, I did not get any link.
I'm sending.
Me too.
Teacher, ما جاني ولا شيء.
أصبر. This is
That's ما اجى عندي الشات.
Okay.
أنا
هلا اللي بعده. ها.
وأصلا ما راح يزبط.
This is the quiz. Do you see it?
Yes.
There's 7 minutes, guys, to solve it. Open your cam. إذا سكرت الكام أو سكرت المايك, I will kick you out. Open your cam.
مودي.
Faris, open your cam. Hussein, open your cam. Khaled,
Teacher, but if I go to Google, it will turn my cam off.
if you want.
If I go to Google, it will turn my cam off.
You are using your mobile?
Yes.
Khalid, why you close? Open your cam. Omar, open your cam.
Teacher, I go to Safari because there is it will turn off.
Table is about
Karam, why you are closing your cam?
equal measures.
Karam,
Teacher,
Karam, open your
Equal
cam.
measures of
بس راضي يفتح عندي.
3.926 kilometers.
Karam, open your cam.
Teacher,
Yes.
it's telling me that I wrote it wrong. It happened before. It happened 3 times.
Karam, open your cam, please.
Measures
teacher.
Yes.
أنا شلون أطب على هذا؟
in the quiz. What is question 1? It says to
I
what
can't.
we should.
Muhammad, I can't answer.
No, I want like what should we change it to meters? Okay.
ما تقول لي على نسيت.
Karam, open your cam.
Teacher, I don't understand the question number 5.
Read it again and
Okay.
Karam, open your cam.
How you convert
Teacher,
Karam,
um,
Adnan, open your cam, please.
how you convert 2 meters to millimeters? 2 meters.
teacher, I don't understand the question number
Teacher,
5.
Adnan, open your cam, please. Yes.
teacher, it's not working. It's telling me I wrote it wrong.
Multiply.
Read it again. Select all of them.
It happened 3 times in a row. I think there's something wrong with my computer.
Select all of the link and open it.
Teacher, I finished. What to do now?
Write your name in the chat and leave.
Teacher, I don't understand the question number 5.
Teacher,
Adnan,
Hello,
please
teacher.
try
this
to
is this is
alone. Please, Adnan, try to solve it alone.
Teacher, what to do after question 5? There is like, dear students, please solve all the questions without referring to your
Complete the
notebook. And it
sentence.
says your answer.
A table is about 15 long.
Teacher, I don't understand the question number 5.
Teacher, I finished the quiz. Can
Read it again and again. Don't understand it, then solve.
Teacher, I
Guys,
finished.
have a quiz في الفايف والصف ما كانت أسئلة. There is no question. But you can't try to solve it alone. There is no question, guys.
something wrong.
Yeah, please solve the
Millimeters.
Teacher, I finished. Can I go?
Yes,
A
please finish, write your name and go.
B
Teacher, I have to say something in the chat.
I finished.
divided by
Can
1000.
I go?
Adnan, Rajha, please try to solve your questions alone.
The equal measurement 9.3 kilometer is
Teacher,
Yes.
finish.
930
إذا بعطيك إياه احكي لك هلا اصبر. هاي عدنان، راجحة.
استنى هسه خلص عادي اروح.
عادي. Write your name and
I finished.
can leave.
The chat is disabled.
Teacher, it's not working.
أستاذ لازم أحكي لك إشي بالشات.
I'm sending for you, Adnan.
Teacher, do I leave?
If you finish, yes, you can leave.
Okay.
Teacher, I can't write my name.
Teacher, I have to tell you something in the
choose your
chat.
name only one time. You have one chance to get inside the quiz.
Teacher, can you enable chat?
What is the most
Enable? Yes, I will, Muhammad.
appropriate
Okay.
unit
Now
to
enable.
use
You can write your name.
per
Adnan, yes, what happened?
Teacher,
Adnan?
can you enable that?
Yes, Adnan. Yes, Adnan.
لازم شو ما بيدخل.
is
عملها
5
Adnan.
meter. The same
Teacher, there's something wrong.
15 centimeter.
It keeps on telling me that I wrote it wrong.
Asad, did you
Is
finish?
5.5.
No, I can't.
The same
I can't even do it
as
because it's telling me that I
500.
wrote it wrong, even though I'm copying and pasting.
What you write it wrong? What you write it wrong?
I don't know. I kept on copying and pasting it from you. And I think there's something wrong with the computer.
Why it's opened. نفس اللينك بعتناه لك ولا غيرك فتح عندهم عندك ما فتح.
ليه؟
اعمل سيلكت للكله.
مش راضي يطلع لي. بس عليه وما بيطلع لي.
Is
محمد فلاح, what's your question?
the same as
I have no question. I cannot say it.
yes or no?
Teacher, I am done with the quiz. I got 4 out of 5. I mean 5 out of 4. 4 out of 5. Sir.
It's correct, Muhammad. I will answer to you after I will finish the exam. I will answer to you.
Okay.
Adnan, what's your problem? Adnan, open your cam, please. I want to see you.
أستاذ بلش عندي خلاص.
أستاذ أطلع.
بلش.
You finish? Yes, you can.
The last question they told me that I am wrong, but it's right.
I will see it. Never mind, Hamza.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye, Turkey.
Teacher,
Yes, Turkey.
I finished the quiz. Can I leave?
Yes, you can. After write your name.
Okay. I write it on chat again.
It's, if you write it, it's only one time. خلاص, it's okay.
Okay. I write it one time on chat.
It's okay. Great job, Turkey.
Now can I leave?
Yes, you can. Sure.
Thank you.
No problem. Yes, Abdurrahman Agha, what do you want? Yes, Abdurrahman.
Yeah, I finished. I can leave or no?
Yes, after you write your name, if you didn't write it.
I write it in the chat.
Do you write it before?
I write it in the chat or in the exam.
On the chat.
Okay, write it.
Karam?
Teacher, I finished, but I don't know what I will do. I can't do submit.
You will submit it.
No, there's what I will do.
You will finish. You will submit it, and you will.
Yes, teacher.
You will submit it.
Teacher, I finished the exam, but what I will do? I press the submit, but it's loading.
Okay, leave it. Wait until it finish.
Ustaz? What I will do? I can't press. عم بيحمل يا أستاذ.
طيب خليه يحمل عادي. وين المشكلة؟
واعمل.
خليه يحمل.
أستاذ. واعمل.
خليه يحمل.
أستاذ.
Yes.
أستاذ.
Yes.
هلا أنا لما حليت آخر سؤال، طب كيف التيبل سنتيمتر؟
بليز لا تسأل أي سؤال عن الامتحان هلا، في ناس عم بيمتحنوا.
أوكي خلاص.
أوكي عدنان. سوري. هذا طالب اسمه خالد. خالد.
نعم.
Write your name correctly. أنت كنت كاتبه صح.
أوكي.
اكتبه صح هلا كمان. خليه صح.
أوكي لحقته.
Okay guys, the time is finished.
It's not working.
The time is finished now. And we close response week. Okay guys, we finish our session today. Have a nice time and bye bye. الله يعطيك العافية. مساء الخير.